Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our first video in PyQt5 GUI programming. This is our first video, and in the first video we will discuss and introduce PyQt5. We will install PyQt5, and also we will make our first window in PyQt5. Okay, now let's get started. What's PyQt5? PyQt5 is a set of Python bindings for Qt5 applications framework. It's available for the Python 3 and Python 2, but in these videos we are using Python 3, 3.6. Qt library is one of the most powerful and famous GUI libraries, and also PyQt5 is implemented as a set of Python modules. It has over 620 classes and 6,000 functions and methods. It is a multi-platform toolkit which runs on all major operating systems, including Unix, Windows, and Mac OS. Also, PyQt5 is dual license. It means that developer can choose between GPL and commercial license. For the installation of PyQt5, it's easy and simple in Windows. Just from your command line, you can just install. You can just write pip install PyQt5 and enter it. I think it is 60 or 70 megabyte, and it will be downloaded. PyQt5 has classes are divided into several modules. We have Qt Core, Qt GUI, Qt Widgets, Qt Multimedia, Qt SVG, Qt WebSocket, and there are different classes in PyQt5. We will introduce them in the further videos. Now it's time that we should make some coding and write our first window in PyQt5. The first thing you need, I use PyCharm IDE. It's a good IDE. You can download this. It has commercial and open source editions. I'm using open source. Now in my directory I make a new Python file. Call it my Windows. Okay, now in the first step we need some classes from PyQt5 to download. The first one is we can write from PyQt5 import Qt GUI. Also we need we are using Qt GUI for our application icon, and also we need from PyQt5.Qt widgets import GUI application, and also we need Q main window. Okay, now make our first class in Python. Class I call it window, and give it Q main window. Okay, now make your constructor in it, and also super dot in it. Okay, now the first thing we need in the constructor in the class self.title. I give it PyQt5 window. Also I need a dot top, give it 100, self dot left, give it 100, and also self dot width, it is 600 ET. Self dot height, For the height I'm giving I think 500. It's good, 500. Now we make our init window function. Diff, I call it init window. Now in here, the first thing I set my window title, self.set window title, and I give the this my variable self.title. Sorry, self.title. It is title. Like this. Okay. The second, we should make our window width and height. Self.set geometry. This geometry is for our top, left, width and height, and we give here self.top. It needs some parameters. Self.left, self.width, and also the last one, self.height. And also show your window. Okay, now in here we should make our application loop, and also we should exit our application. App, make a variable app GUI application, and sys. Also you should import, I forgot to import sys. Import sys. Okay, now import sys. Sorry. Now in here sys.argv, argument vector. Now make your class object. I call it window, and in here sys.exit app.execute. Now if I run this, you should see a window. Okay, sorry, I forgot. I should call my this function or method in here. Init self.init window. Now if I run this, I should see a window. Yeah, you can see that this is our first window in PyQt5 window. Now you can see that we don't have any icon in here. We want to add our icon in this section. I have an icon at name of icon.png. Okay, now in here we have imported our Qt GUI. This Qt GUI is for our icon. Self.set window icon Qt GUI.q icon, and in here you can give your icon name. My icon name is icon.png. If I run this, you can see that we have our window, our title, PyQt5 window, and also we have our icon. This was our first video. If you have any question, please let me know, and also please for the further videos, subscribe and like my videos. Thank you guys.